Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create cartoon video in mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, you need to go to your browser and then you have to search for this website, Adobe Express. We're going to use AI feature in this website to create cartoon animation. You have to choose adobe.com/animation. And I'm going to open this website and I'm going to click on start now. Okay, and after that we're going to input our voice or our audio to this website to create cartoon animation. Okay, and before we upload our voice or our audio, we can choose the character we want to apply to our animation. And for the character, I'm just going to choose this one. Okay, and for the background I'm going to choose this one. Okay, and for the size I'm gonna go with landscape. Okay, and we're going to record our voice, or we can also input our audio to this website. If you want to input your audio, you can click on browse, and I'm going to go to my device. Okay, I'm going to input this audio. Okay, and after that we just need to wait until the cartoon animation has been created with this AI. Okay, and now the cartoon animation video has been created guys, and this is the result, and I'm going to play it to take a look at the video.
Ladies and gentlemen, as we stand at a pivotal moment in history, it is imperative that we confront the reality of...
And if you want to download the video, you can click on download, but before you can download this video, you need to sign into the Adobe Express, and after that you will be able to download it. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create cartoon animation video in mobile phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.